How to delete duplicate contacts in Samsung. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up and we should be able to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. Start by opening up the contacts application, and once you have opened it up, what you can do is look out for the menu option in the top left corner, the three lines. And from here, we can select the option of manage contacts. Now, once we select the manage contact option, what we need to do is basically go ahead and tap on merge contact option, and our phone will automatically find all the duplicates and we can tap on merge to combine them. That is one of the methods. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and manually also delete it if few duplicates are available. So once we open up the contacts application, we can select the name, hold it up, and we should be finding a menu pop up on our screen on down. So go ahead and tap on the delete option and delete the duplicate contact available from your device. And also we can turn on the option for contact sync. So in your device, look out for the menu in the top left. And here, if you have that option of contact sync in the top right, we have settings that we can click on. There, look out for the option called sync contact or something like that, and go ahead and use that option also to use this contact for merging and export to or sync to Google, and you can try deleting the duplicate contacts after that. And that's it. Usually these are the solutions you can follow up if you want to delete those contacts on your Samsung device. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.